Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 3rd, 2021. We're here to give y'all an update on Aave. But before I do, this is your first time watching our video. You guys appreciate it. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel to ensure that you are always in the know right before the market moves. That's the only way that you're able to profit into this particular space. Is you have to be forward thinking. You have to forecast and predict where you expect the price to be, because you need to get there right before everyone else gets to that particular price so you can capitalize the greatest. We've been showing you all that on this particular platform since 2017. Also, we have another channel, HueFin News 2 Stocks, to where you all can see our stock predictions in the market. So head on over to that particular channel. It is in the description. The link is in the description of this video. So let's zoom in real quick and let's have a conversation. Let's ensure that we always win as much as possible in the cryptocurrency space by simply looking at the price bars and volume. So last time we did our prediction in Aave was right here on February the 12th, 2021. And you can see, we played a little bit of strength into the market in Aave, and the market really did not give us that. The trap was feeling something totally different. So he dropped the price. And if you wasn't able to really see this forecast the next day following our prediction, we missed out. This forecast did not go the way that we expected it to go. Because at that particular moment, you can see that Aave was still trending higher in price and the market was following that ascending line. But immediately the next day, we should have known that something wasn't right, that something was wrong. The market in Aave broke that trend. It broke it. So that told us that the market is no longer as strong as what it once was back here on February the 3rd. That was our clue. This was our clue that the market in Aave has changed. Right there. February the 13th, because that was when the market in Aave broke the trend. This is how you're able to maintain that profitability in the market, is because it tells us way ahead of time before you guys can see that the market at that particular time was trading around $500, right? If you would have gotten out right there, you would have been alleviated of the market going a lot lower to where we're seeing it being traded at now, which is around 400. That could have saved us at least $100 right now. Saved us that. The market ultimately timed out around 300, which is around $200. See, not only are we getting in position to capitalize from the trap, we are also able to exit out the market and leave the store right before everyone else sees what's about to happen. Because he's shown us that on the 13th. So I wouldn't necessarily call this a good forecast or prediction that we did on February the 11th, but rather we'll take it as a loss, saying that the forecast wasn't correct, which is about 21.21% if we were to get out right now into the market in Aave. All right, so let's move on. Let's go ahead and see what else we have on the price chart so we can make sure that we are always in position to capitalize from price, because that is the only thing that matters. What you and I are willing to buy and sell for these particular cryptocurrencies. Now, the first thing I wanted to do is to show you that Aave, which is still a good thing, for the most part, is still in an uptrend. This just goes to show you how far away the market in Aave was trading at, the beginning of February. We were so far away from this overall trend that the market came back and maintained it. So we're still in strength, right? We saw the market during 26th, 27th, 28th of February establish more support right alongside our ascending line, which is a very good thing to see. We needed to see that in order to confirm the overall trend in Aave, because the market is simply following this trend. We just took off like a rocket back in early January, came back down. We're testing that ascending line again. So long as we continue to trend alongside that ascending line, the market will continue to do just that. It'll continue to go higher in price. So it's good to see that the trap has confirmed the trend. So we can hold that in our back pocket. We now know that. So taking a look at Aave on the 3-day time frame, I like what is going on the 3-day time frame. So much so that I am still expecting the market in Aave to go higher in price. Now, where do you think the market area of restriction is seen though? Right there around 450. Okay. So like $440 to $450 is where that restriction area lies in the market for Aave. Even on the 5-day time frame, I like what's going on the 5-day time frame in Aave as well. Very, very good to see that. Looking at the market in Aave on the weekly, again, we're seeing a lot of strength impede itself into the market on the longer time frame. So we're good. Only concern is right here on the monthly perspective. So looking at Aave on the monthly perspective, you might need to be a little bit more cautious. Why? Well, because the market for the month of February closed well off of the highs. That gives us a little pause as to, okay, in the long term, are we really expecting the market to go a lot higher? No, not based off the monthly time frame, because what occurred during the month of February on the conclusion, it lets us know that there was more sellers in the market in Aave than there were buyers. So we need to keep that in our left back pocket as well for the long-term purview, in the sense of, can Aave continue to go higher and higher in price? All right. So let's do this real quick into the market in Aave. We're going to go ahead and place a prediction into the market of some higher price. Okay. Now, I'm not all that bullish the longer out in time we go, but rather on a daily time frame. All right. So let's go ahead and do this real quick and I'll let you all go. We're seeing some restriction right there around 425 to 450. All right. So literally I'm expecting the market to come up there. We'll find more sellers. It's going to get hit. The market's going to go lower. And then we're going to expect the trap to come and test that ascending line again. This is the play. All right. So let's go ahead and do this. This is our prediction as to where we're expecting the market to go. We would skim off a little bit right there around 425, which is about 4 3/4% profitability. But given the strength that is coming to the market today for the cryptocurrency space, we could definitely see the market in Aave come up there towards $450, if not higher in time. Okay. So this is it. This is our expectation. This is what we're seeing into the market in Aave. Now is your turn. What is your play? Tell us your price prediction into the market in Aave. Do you suspect that the market's going to continue to go higher in price like we are? Or do you see something totally different, which is fine? You know, just let us know, what are you seeing on the chart that could substantiate where you think price is headed? All right, so do that for us. Leave us a comment. And as always, make sure you maintain a profitability. And we'll speak again on the next video.